Okay, welcome back to how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is the fourth video, so if you haven't seen the other three, I suggest you go back and watch those ones first, or you're not going to know, or well, you won't be able to catch up if you don't know what you're doing. So far, what we've accomplished here, as you can see, we have the bottom layer finished. And as promised, the next step, we're going to get these side pieces here, because the middles are always in place. You don't have to worry about those. So we're going to just finish off the second layer. And how to do that, we don't want to worry about yellow, because yellow is always our top piece here. It looks yellow, I mean the video is kind of shiny here, so it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, yellow is the top. So that's the one we're not going to be worrying about, because we'll get our top piece in the next video. Right now we're going to get this, finish off this layer here, so we're going to get all these side pieces in the right place. So basically what you want to do, you want to look for your pieces here that do not have yellow on them. If they have yellow on them, ignore them. But again, don't look at your corners, just your center pieces are the ones we're worrying about. So look for any centerpiece at all that does not have yellow. And so far, I mean, that one, there's orange. Oh, it's got yellow on top, so you can't do it. That one's got yellow automatically, so you can't do it. Yellow again, you can't do it. And there's a green, and on top is a red, so that's our lucky winner. That's the first one. As you can see, the other pieces are in here. There's a blue and a red. They're on the, it needs basically switched around to here. It's in the wrong spot, but we'll just... Usually if you do one of these, it's going to pull one of these pieces out to replace it, and it will put it in its, and then you can put that piece in the right spot. So normally what I do is I just get the first piece here, first one here, and again you look at the face plate and bring it over to its correlating side. So green goes over to green, of course. There's your center green, right here, center green. You bring it over to green. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Basically, this is just memorization. They're algorithms, so you just memorize the pattern. So now that you have this here, now you want to bring, this is a red piece. You get it over to green and you look at the top. Top is red. So you need to bring it to your red side. So you look, this side's orange, this side's red. So you have to bring it to the red side. So what you're going to want to do, basically, this piece needs to turn and go right here. So to do that, all you got to do, since you want to bring it to your red side, you move it away. This piece, you're going to move it away from your red side once. Move this up. So bring the bottom up to this front here. And then move it away again. And then just put your bottom back. Now again, this is going to be the last video we watched. She showed you how to get this step where you're white. And that needs to go to the red. So basically you're just continuing the last step, and that's going to put the piece in this back into place. So you're just going to run that corner back where it goes, which again you bring red over to the center, red, white face, and you just spin this correct side up, bring your index finger towards you, and put it back in place. And see how that put the red and the green there? So again, it's a little complicated. That piece is already in place there. Here we got, again, we're going to look in the top row. There's an orange, and it's got blue, so there's no yellow on it, so we can do that. This one's got yellow, that one's got yellow, that one's got yellow. So now orange and blue. So orange, we bring this to the orange side. Now orange, then you look at the top, and it's blue. So you got to bring it to the blue side, which the blue side, that's green, that's blue. So since we're bringing it to the blue side, we spin it away. We bring the piece away from the blue side. Then we bring the bottom up. We push it away again one more time. And then we bring the bottom down. And then we just replace this piece, like we showed in the last video, how to get this faceplate here. And that's the step. As soon as you do that, next one here, red and blue, and it's already on the red side here, so you look, it needs to go to blue, so you spin it away from blue, bring this up, spin it away from blue again, and bring that back down. Just that pattern every time. And then you got to replace your white piece here, which usually you just spin this back one and replace your white piece. And there you go. Second layer is done. Go ahead and watch the next video. And the next video we're going to be getting the top. Or maybe the corners. No, we'll be getting the top in the next video. And then we should be good to go. And there are only a couple more steps left and you'll have solved a Rubik's Cube. So go ahead and practice that. That's one of the most complicated ones. Again, well, I mean the last one's probably one of the most complicated. But that's step can be troublesome to some people. So yeah, just practice it and get good at it, and then go ahead and watch the next video. And I'll see you next time.